second. 1 second. Alrighty, there we go. Sorry about that. My manager is really on my case today. Okay, let's start all over again. Hello everyone, and welcome to Yoka's Polka. I am Yoka, your night owl. For today's plan with me, I decided to use these 3 sticker books and this sticker sheet that I have used in the past, but I never ended up using any more of it, and these index cards that I found, which I feel like would be a really good thing for our plan with me. Also, just this random washi tape that I had laying around. As always, all of my supplies are listed in the description box just in case you're ever curious on exactly what supplies I'm using, and if I ever miss anything, please let me know in the comments below and I will try my best to remember where I got them from, and yeah, I hope it will help you. So I didn't really plan this video, it just kind of happened. I was organizing my office and then I found these index cards that I haven't used, so I figured it'd be kind of cool to use in our planner. And if you don't use the Happy Planner, it's okay, this will still work in any planner I feel like. So what I'm doing is I'm starting with punching out some of the index cards using my Happy Planner punch, and I'm just cutting out 7 boxes for now. If I need more, I will cut more in the future, but for now I think 7 is a good number. Once I finished punching out all of my index cards, I went ahead and took that yellow washi tape and I started lining some of the boxes, and this is actually my old layout that I used to do, which I do every now and then, not as often, but if you see my older videos then you definitely know this layout. So this is where I'm going to be placing the index cards on, and it's just going to make the whole thing come together very nicely, and there won't be any of that white space, because for some reason this Happy Planner punch, there's always like a little bit of white space left over, and it kind of drives me crazy, so the washi tape just makes it look more complete. I then went in with my tweezers and fixed up any of the washi tape that had like little air bubbles or that wasn't lined up perfectly to the lines. That way it was just more neater. Once I was done with that, I started to glue the index boxes right into my spread. I especially love to use paper in my planner when I don't have a lot of stickers. For instance, this is perfect if you don't have those big sticker books, but clearly I am going to use some of those sticker books. But let's say you only have a sticker sheet or something like that, then using paper will actually create that effect of a lot when you don't have a lot. So if you ever feel like you don't have enough stickers, I definitely suggest cutting some paper and using it in your planner. You'd be surprised how much space it takes up, and it looks really cute. So definitely give it a try. Once I was done gluing all the index cards, I took the scrap index cards and started cutting it a little bit smaller, and this is going to act as my to-do list. I cut even smaller boxes, and this is going to be for my meal plans. I then started to glue them all down into my spread, and I decided that I would just keep all the columns the same color. So for instance, this is going to be all yellow, and then the next one is going to be all pink, and then you get the idea. However, if you wanted to, you could totally mix it all up and make it, you know, not matchy. It's up to you.
Prince Poppycock here, and if you have the time, please subscribe to the channel and follow Yoka's Polka on Instagram. Thank you very much. Back to the program.
Oh hey there! I hope Prince didn't bug you too much, but we're still working on gluing down these pieces into the spread, so it kind of takes a while, not gonna lie, but it's slowly getting there. One thing to note, if you have these exact index cards, which I got these from the dollar store, beware of the yellow ones. For some reason, anytime you put glue on it, that pink part just stays, like it's like a stain. I don't know why it does that. It doesn't evaporate or anything, so just be wary if you have the same ones as me. Now that all the gluing is done, I'm taking this polka dot washi tape that I absolutely adore, and I try my best not to use it too much, but I can't help myself. So the spread kind of looked a little bit too empty, although it doesn't look that bad. I just wanted to add in a little bit more color, so by using that washi tape, I just placed it on top of the meal plan boxes, just to create a little bit more, you know, color and just a little bit more of cuteness. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I think it kind of looks really good. I then really quickly went back in with my tweezers and once again just fixed up some of the washi tapes that kind of went on badly. And there's my manager again. She's just overseeing my work, making sure that I'm filming and not being lazy. Talk about a micromanager. Now I just took some of these little stickers and I placed them on top of my to-do list just to make it seem like I pinned it on there. I also used one of those stickers to cover up the pink stain on the yellow index card so it wouldn't show too much. And those little stickers came from the Agenda 52 sticker book. I didn't end up using the one from the dollar store at all because it just didn't really go with the whole theme, but that's okay, maybe next time. So now I'm just taking those stickers from that sticker sheet and I'm just placing some random stickers into that big index card space, so now it kind of looks a little bit more decorated and not so empty. I then took the Gudetama stickers and I started placing them on the meal plan section, but also in just random areas where I felt like it would be nice to have because it's like empty, so I'm just basically putting wherever I think it looks good. And I was actually shocked to see that they had these Gudetama stickers at 5 and Below. I never thought 5 and Below would have like Japanese section, and there's even like an anime section, so it's really cool and I definitely have a lot of stickers from them. So look forward to more anime kind of sticker plan with me's because it's gonna happen. It's just not yet, but it will happen. One bad thing I could say about the 5 and Below sticker books, or at least the ones that I've gotten, is that all the sheets are the same type of stickers. But if you don't mind, then it's totally worth it. I don't mind because I know that I can use the stickers in different ways, so it's kind of nice to have a bunch of them. But yeah, just a little FYI in case you're ever curious and you go to 5 and Below, just keep that in mind. So now we are finally working on the left side of the spread, and sometimes I leave the left side until the end because I don't know how to decorate it. And once everything else is done, I kind of have an idea of how I want to decorate it, so that's what we're doing now. And yes, I ripped that sticker, but it's okay, we're gonna use it anyways. But for the left side, I just kept it simple. I just put a weekly goals sticker and also a weekly tracker. Now I'm taking my Tombow drawing pen and it's time to write inside the boxes. So for the weekly goals, I decided to look up some Gudetama tips or quotes. And all it said was take more naps, adapt to new things, indulge in self-care, and make time to meditate. So I figured, okay, yeah, that's pretty good for weekly goals. For the quote of the week, it's also by Gudetama, and it says, to do your best, you need to rest. So kind of cute, I really liked it. I actually didn't even expect Gudetama to have quotes, so kind of cool that an egg has some quotes, so I guess the more you know. All that was left to do was to go ahead and fill out all of my to-do list for this week, and to be honest, it was very fun to write in. It was just super cute and tiny, so it was just, I don't know, it was cute. So I really liked writing out all my to-do list in these tiny index box things. And also for the meal plans, that was kind of self-explanatory. I just wrote all my meal plans in that little strip. So I kind of like how it turned out. It kind of highlighted the meal plans for me, so really cool. By the way, I just wanted to mention that there will be a journaling video coming out very soon. I've been quite behind on editing, but I am going to make it, so just keep your eye out for that. Also, I wanted to mention that for my channel, I've been kind of thinking of doing some different stuff, maybe like more artsy things and crafting stuff, and maybe even like a day with me or something like that. So let me know if you would like that, and if you want to see anything in particular, please let me know in the comments below. That would be very helpful. And yeah, I hope you will like it. So let's go ahead and continue back in the planning. And we are done! It was actually really fun to use index cards in the planner, so I definitely want to try this again. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, consider liking and subscribing, and I will see you all a little later.